feel the happiest when I'm like relaxed at home. That's one of the key concepts into making me a good person. For me to connect with my wife, one of the things we do is meditate. It's a good spiritual feeling inside.
When I'm busy, my mind's clear of everything else. It's just easier for me. Whenever I was struggling with things in life, I'd have football, and that would take everything away for a day. It's more of a community and a family. Without football, I don't know where I would be.
Before, I used to always like going out and, hanging out with my friends. But now I cook with my wife. It's a good way of bonding. We play board games, we dance. I feel like this is my place to be here.
Last year has probably been the hardest year of my life. Losing the responsibilities, losing the connection with people. You don't realize how much you take things for granted.